This film will explain how to fit an EZY Fit internal wall insulation system to Kiwa certification standard. Correct installation of this system will ensure optimum efficiency and provide the customer with all relevant materials, warranties, and insurance-backed guarantees. EZY Fit systems come as a complete package containing everything needed for fitting. Before installation, any walls to be insulated must be cleared of loose material. Trim or skirting and wallpaper must be removed or scored. Any damp, mold, or significant damage to the wall should be treated and repaired before any insulation is installed. All EZY Fit IWI systems are installed using a wall-mounted timber frame. EZY Fit offer different types of insulation with their IWI systems. The chosen insulation will dictate the spacing between the upright studs in the timber frame. Mineral wool insulation requires a 600 mm gap between uprights, where the hemp insulation requires 570 mm. Horizontal studs should be placed at the head and foot of the wall. Once the upright timbers have been mounted to complete the frame, a horizontal stud should then be fitted at every 1,200 mm between each vertical slab of insulation. You will need to prepare each timber stud with an insulation backer. This will insulate the timber frame against the wall and fill any air gaps between the wall and the timber stud, eliminating the chance of cold bridging. The studs must be fixed with a screw through the front face of the stud, straight through the stud backer and into the wall, allowing 100 mm gap from front to back. Once the timber frame has been completed, the insulation can be friction fitted. Depending on the size of the wall, you may need to trim down insulation where the gap will not fill a full block. Once all the insulation is fitted, a vapor control layer, or VCL, must be installed. This should be stapled into the timber studs, ensuring the correct overlap is achieved. Once the VCL has been installed across the entire frame, all joins and edges must be sealed with the provided tapes. Any exposed staples should be covered with foil tape. At this point, plasterboard can be fitted. Once the plasterboard has been fixed to the frame, the edges and any other gaps must be filled using the airtight sealant provided. This sealant is the final layer of protection and must run all the way around the wall, floor, and ceiling, as well as filling any gaps where the plasterboard sheets meet. Once this has been done, the IWI system is complete and the wall is ready for plaster.